Today on The Sensible Thing, we will be showing you how to answer the derivation questions for the OCR GCSE language paper and how to do it easily and very nearly painlessly. You get 2 derivation questions in your exam, each worth 2 marks. You get 1 mark for correctly naming a word derived from the Latin and 1 mark for defining this word. The best way to start is to divide the process into 2 steps. First, translate the word into English, then try to find a synonym for the word also in English, but one that also uses the first couple of letters. It's exactly like doing a crossword clue. Let's look at the first one here. Loco means place. Another word for place in English with the same first 2 letters is location, which is a place where something is or happens. So that's our first one. For the second one, which is aquam, which means water, we can say aquatic, meaning to do with water. Let's look at a slightly harder one now. Vocem means voice, and we get to vocalist, which is someone who sings. Now try this second one yourself. In this question, the answer is audible, meaning can be heard. As you can see in the mark scheme, they do accept other valid derivations. Common traps are revealed in the examiner's report. Some candidates put volume as a derivation of vocab, which has the first 2 letters but is incorrect. So do be careful and remember that the definition also has to be similar to that of the translated word. We will put some more questions for you to try in the descriptions along with the answers. Like crossword puzzles, the more you practice, the easier it gets. I promise. I hope you enjoyed this video and make sure to like, subscribe and let us know in the comments what you're struggling with and what you want us to do next. Until next time.